Congrats, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, good afternoon, students. Good afternoon to you, Sir Tagod. So, my discussion for this afternoon will be about the major forms of business organization that includes the partnership and the single or sole proprietorship. Okay, next slide. So, I am your presenter for today. My Quizon Liami, yours truly. Next, next slide. So, let me introduce to you my learning objectives. The first one is explain the forms of business organization, including the partnership and the sole proprietorship. The second one is identify the advantages and the disadvantages of the partnership and sole proprietorship in business organization. Next slide. So, major forms of business organization. Unsa day ni ang kaniyang ako ang topic day. Next slide, please. So the major forms of business organization is na-include na diha ang mga different big forms or different big organization mo ni ang kaniyang sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability in companies. So matakol pud na diha ang kaniyang advantages, ang ilang characteristics and disadvantages of this different organization. So next please. Next slide. So single or sole proprietorship. Can anyone give their insight or give unsa ilahang nahibawan unsa ni ang single or sole proprietorship na diha sa kuan? Yes, Miss Dagatan.
A single or sole proprietorship is when only one person or murag one entity owns the business or operates the business.
Okay, correct. So, thank you, Miss Dagatan. How about Mr. Kamaunggay?
Is kaning single or sole proprietorship
Yes, sir.
katuning pareho sa akong gi-ask good ni Ma'am Gonzaga about sa iyang subject is unsa may mabuhat sa kanang startup nga business. So ang iya ging gitubaga to and what I have learned nga ang katong owner, ikaw gi maglihok sa tanan. So ikaw gi magbuhat sa ikay mag-cashier, ikay mag-mo sa product, ug ikay mag-asikaso sa customers. So that is single or sole proprietorship. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to the both of you. Nus, gi-explain na ni Miss Chris na gi-expound pa gyud ni Mr. Kamaunggay so wala na koy kaniyang sultiani. So joke ra. So the single or the sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business where a single individual owns and operates the business. Sumuni kaniyang kasagaran karon makita nato sa ato ang mga palibot nga nay mga sari-sari store na sila ilahang kaugalingon nga kaniyang business wherein sila mo kaniang mo-manage sa ilahang nga business usara ang nakatag-iya ani. So next slide please. Oh, before I ko mo talk about sa advantages sa single or sole proprietorship, can you give example sa kaniang single or sole proprietorship students? Makatag mo mga example ana niya. Yes, Miss Kathleen.
To ba ka ng sa sari-sari store?
Okay, correct. How about again, Miss Dagatan?
Kanang ang kaning small business sa akong ate.
Yes, no, correct. Kakuan mo kaniyang, di ba pagka pandemic no is kaniyang mostly na lang naga-online seller. So muna example sa kaning single or sole proprietorship. Natoy ni raise ganiha. Wala na. Natoy ni raise wala. So yes, that the single or sole proprietorship again is kaniyang usara ka kaniyang boss mo ni manage ana nga kaniyang business silbi mga kuan na ba kaning ginagmay nga kaniyang business ang ilahang gitukod diha. So next is the advantages of single or sole proprietorship. The first one is it is easy to organize. Financial capital is small and registration requirements are not difficult to comply with. So matod pa ni Mr. Kamaunggay ganiha nga ang single or sole proprietorship is usa ra gyud ka buok ang mo manage ani. No, wala na kay dili na ka manginahanglan og kani ang tabang, dili na ka mo hakuan og mga dili na ka mo hire og mga tao kay ikaw ra man mo'y kani ang ni daan ni nga business. Nya when it comes ing ani nga business nga single kuan kay di ba og motukod ka og business business is naa maginay permit. But ang nakalahian na sa big business ug kaning mga single business is dali ra ni sila makomply ang ilahang mga requirements kay dili ra man kayo ni siya kuti-kutihon sa kani ang government. Agree ba? Okay. So the next one is the single proprietorship. The single proprietorship is the boss. He makes the decision and enjoys substantial freedom of the action. Sorry. So again, muni ang kanyang advantages, no? Ikaw mo'y boss, wala na kay kaagaw diha. Ikaw na'y muda diha tanan o pwede mo padako-dako kasi ikaw pwede na mahimo diha sa imong kaimuha man ng business. Wala na magsamok-samok nimo. So the last one of these advantages is the owner acquires all the profits from his business. Malamang ikaw may tag-iya ana lain sa kaayog imuha pag yung i-share dito sa kaning kuan may tag naki-partnership ka diha. Muna ang kani advantages sa sole proprietorship. Ug unsa imong nakita sa imong mga profit imuha na wala na kay kaagaw ana. So kung naay advantages class, napod ay ni disadvantages ang single proprietorship. Next slide please. So the first one is the financial resources of single proprietorship are not enough to transform the business into a large-scale enterprise. Very correct, di ba? Kung magtukod gali kag big business is grabe ka kuti, grabe ka kaning dako kay kaupuhunan ana. Kung ang single proprietorship class is mo turn into a big business is maglisod na sila kay ang ilhamang profit sa ang profit sa single proprietorship is dili ra sad kay siya ingon niya kani ang dako kundi sakto-sakto lang ba. So the next one is benefits of the specialization in business management are not present small scale or proprietorship. Correct. So the last one is the owner is unlimited liability. Unsa dining the owner has unlimited liability class? Anyone? So this mean, oh yes, Miss Dagatan. Yes.
Uh, so I will just guess So the owner will have unlimited liability. Kay since the kanang owner kay siya ra maging usa ga-handle sa tanan so siya mo'y mo buhat sa product, siya pagin mag-market, siya pagin mag distribute. So daghan kay siya og kanang liabilities bitaw na imbes na makatag o tatutag sa tagsa since siya man gyud mismo nangunay sa iyang negosyo kana tanan problema sa iyang negosyo sa iya padong og siya personal nga manubag.
Okay, thank you kayo, Miss No. So how about Mr. Kamaonggay?
Kuan kanang the owner has unlimited liability, so kaning single sole proprietorship kay mismo ang owner man gyud nilihok. So it means nga if magkalisod ka or in depth na imong business wa na kay kana bitaw mapasad-an pa nga wa kay matudloan bitaw nga kinsa mo'y sala kay ikaw may nilihok imo ginang sa imo nang responsibility.
Yes.
Liability gid siya.
Okay, thank you to the both again. Thank you kay ninyo, Miss ug Sir. So, gi-expound na gyud ninyo no ang kaniyang unsa ni ang the owner has unlimited liability. So the next let's kaniyang bound to the another forms of business organization which is the partnership. So what is partnership DI class? Can you give again your insight or your knowledge about this kind of form of business? Partnership, very common. Yes, yes, Miss Kathleen.
For me, the word itself, nana kay partner.
Correct, no? So how about Miss Prieto?
kuan in any sense for partnership no mag-involve siya two or more individuals known as partners to collaborate or operate a business.
Okay, correct. So how about Miss Colonia?
So when we say business partnership, it is a legal or partnership, it is a legal structures where two or more individuals collaborate to operate a business more on ilagi to explain ganiha wherein partnership can take various forms such as general or limited partner or liability in business. Mura to ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So Miss Mian.
It is a arrangement for two or more parties na nag-operate sa business and also mag-share sila sa profits since nag-partnership man sila so ang profits ila pod tungaan.
Okay, very good students. Mga active ani maro magwado kay nga murasa. Joke. So partnership, next slide Miss Andrea. So the partnership is a form of business organization in which two or more persons agree to own and operate a business. So kato inyong mga gipang-ingon ganiha class, mga sakto kaayo to from the word itself, partner. Naakay ka uban sa pagkani ang paghimo or nakay kauban sa pag-manage sa imuhang business. So kaniya can you give example sa mga business company nga nag-merge or they have another partnership to other company? Can you give other example? Pwede ra jud kay mo maka-search just kuan yung best friend nga Google. Example sa kaniyang kuan mga big companies nga nag-merge to other big companies. Okay, Miss Dabalos.
Usa sad no kay ang kanang retail partnerships wherein kanang sa kuan gyud kanang gitawag og Target og Walmart retail partnerships sila na sila wherein they often form connections with various suppliers and manufacturers to create unsa ni kanang exclusive product lines or distribution agreements. So kana retail partnerships Target and Walmart, ma'am.
Thank you, Miss Dabalos. How about yes, Miss Dagatan?
So aside from retail partnerships now, we also have a law firms partnership. So this is a very common partnership jud here in the kuan partnership. Thank you.
Correct. So Mr. Kamaonggay.
Kuan example ana just like kuan kanang sa TV gani is mga networks nya
Yes.
sa US kanang mga dako nga mga dako nga networks like Warner Bros and Discovery nga corporations kay nag-merge sila into another company which is called Warner Bros Discovery. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So, thank you sa inyong mga example. Those kaniyang inyong gi-answer is kaniyang correct to siya. So, let's bound to the advantages of the partnership. So, the first one is the advantages is it is also easy to organize like the single proprietorship. Legal red tape to connection with its registration is not much. So correct. So the second one is the better management. Kung dini is kaniyang very kuan na kayo no mailhan na kay if we talk about better management malamang kay nag-partnership man sila ang ilahang mga ideas is nagkaniang sitaw ganing nag-emerge no ang kani ideas sa imong ka-partner is kaniang gi-share pod niya nimo silbi kung kamong duha na is kaniyang mag-manage anang business, then ang outcome na is the better management. The last one is the possibility of bigger resources than the single proprietorship of exist. So nga naman kaha nga dako possibility ang kaniyang partnership nga ang ilahang company is mo big pa. Nga naman, unsa kay kaniyang kuan answer ana? Nganong dako possibility nga ang kaniang partnership organization is mubig pa ang ilahang kaniang form or ilahang business. Wala. So, yes, Miss Kathleen. Mga active.
Ay, for me, gani for example, sa Blackpink o sa Pepsi. Because of that, kanang famous nga kanang mga known nga people, kay daghan na yun noog mo, kuana na, more purchase anang butang nga kay. Example, is souvenir. Mao na siya.
Okay, thank you. So, Miss Dagatan.
So, kay partnership man, meaning mas mo doble bitaw ang capital or ang investment. So, with the investment or capital, mas daghan bitaw sila og kanang ma-produce, daghan mo expand ang ilahang area, like makapatukod sila og another branch or maka-hire sila og mas daghang tao to do their the labor mo siya.
Thank you, Miss Dagatan. Yes, last, Miss Dabalos.
Kung naman gay partnership, like for example, kanang kung ang local company mo partner siya to an international firm, syempre kung na sila partnership between ana, makagain gyud og market expansion, and ang local company mas mo dako pa gyud ang yang possibility nga mas mo grow pa gyud siya in partnering international firm. So that kanang dili lang siya maka-add og market expansion, but also the diversification of the products nga gihimo atong local company.
Okay. Thank you no sa inyong mga kaniang insight about these advantages of partnership. Those your answers is correct. Very good. So the next, if naay advantages din anhi na punta sa disadvantages of partnership, unsa makaday na ang ilahang mga kaniang mga problema. So the first one is conflicts or quarrels between or among the partners. Malamang kay partners man mo dili gyud na perpekto ang inyong kaniang basta di panagkauban sa diha naginay kaniyang dili gyud na mahitabo nga perfect ang inyong flow sa inyong business. Naginay kani ang away nga mahitabo, naginay mga singit-singit nga mahitabo nga storya. Kay kuan man na business man na, so maybe kani ang for example butang talang ang kani ang duha sila kabuok mag-business partner nya ang usa is kani ang nasya iyang idea din ang usa is napod siya iyang idea but dili compatible ang ilahang idea, wala sila nag-abot. So in that kani ang way maka-create na sila og conflict or quarrel nga makahatag og disadvantages sa ilahang kani ang business. So the next one is it lacks stability. The death or withdrawal of one partner dissolves to the partnership. Kana gyud may kasagaran nga kaniyang problems when it kaniyang comes to partnership no, kaniyang dili kaniyang kung sa tao pa ba is dili siya consistent no pagka-partner sa imuha is maayo lang kaniyang kuan wala og sa kuan pa is wala siya ni dibuto sa inyo nga kaniyang panaghiuban no, naa sila kaniyang kuan kana siya is kaniyang mukalit lang o withdraw kay tungod nagka-create mo og kaning quarrels or conflict, wa siya nihatag og taas pa nga pasensya, nikalit lang siya withdraw kay maybe kaning dili na gyud na ma-solve ang ilahang problem. Sakto ba? Then the last one is like the single proprietor. The partners are also subject to unlimited liability except the limited partners. So matod pa sa gingon ni Miss Dagatan ganiha, unsa gali to Miss Dagatan ang kanya unlimited liability? Miss Dagatan.
Sa iya mabagsak ang tanan responsibilidad.
Okay, kana no? Kay disadvantages of partnership man, ang imuhang usa ka kaning partner is nagsalig na lang sa diay nimo. Nagsalig na lang nga ay nibuhat man siya na nga kani ang planuha siya na lang akong hatagan. No, that is very big no when it comes to partnership. Partner man mo. So dapat ang maayo unta na is kani mag-merge na ang inyong mga kaniyang mga knowledge or information about kaniyang mo talk about sa inyong nga business. Dili lang ka magsalig sa imong partner. So agree ba mo na students? Gra? So next slide. Okay, human na dayo ta. Dali ra kayo na. Dali ra day kayo ang akong topic. Again, what are recall na lang ko students. What are the what are the forms of the kaniyang business organization? What are the two forms of business organization di ito? At ako i-discuss ganiha. Yes, Miss Dagatan.
Single or sole proprietorship and partnership.
Okay, very good. So class, those kaniyang ni-participate, ayaw ninyo, don't forget nga kaniyang i-lesto sa inyong index card for the participation. Last one, who can kaniyang give conclusion or sums up our discussion? Kisay mga conclude or maka sums up sa ato ang discussion for today. Okay, Mr. Kamongay.
Okay, so in conclusion to your topic, it tackled about sole proprietorship and partnership, in which instances there is difference. There's the disadvantages and advantages of each one topic, and it was stated that how sole proprietorship it is one person doing the job, doing his business or her business, while partnership it entails two or more people doing a business. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Kamaongay and Miss Dagatan. And last, the choice between sole proprietorship and partnership depends on the business goals, skills of the owners, investment capacity, and business capacity, and desired level of liability. Each form of organization has its own benefits and limitation that should be considered before entering into business. So that's all for my discussion, and thank you students for your presence and cooperation. Thank you, Yumilig, nasa Jimmy. Thank you kayo.